Hi guys, today I'm going to show you my client work for the very first time. So let's start without wasting any time. Always remember that CTM is our first step, but here I am starting with primer, and primer is EBA Photo Perfect HD Face Primer, which provides us smooth skin, fills pores and fine lines, enhances radiance. I always prefer to start your makeup with eyes makeup because I always love to give time to our primer to activate, and here I am using LA Girl Pro Concealer, and this is a orange color corrector which is HD high definition concealer and suits for only dark problems. Apply concealer, and I am applying Rare Beauty 270N. If your client have dark circles, pigmentation or any dark problems, choose HD products only or thick foundations because it gives more coverage than liquid foundations. For eye makeup, I have choose Nude Huda Beauty palette and Reloaded Marvelous Mattes from Revolution. My client demanded for half cut crease, so I choose raw shade from Nude Huda Beauty palette for her crease line. For defining crease line, I am using eyeshadow blender F04 Swiss Beauty brush, and for blending I am using Pro Art F08. Defining her eyelid area from inner corner to outer corner to give a proper cut crease look, and I am using thick foundation which is from Krylon Derma, and the number is D64, and it provides us 80 to 90% coverage. Now I have picked a black shade from my Revolution palette with a little bit touch of Love Bite shade from Nude Huda Beauty palette because I want to give a little bit darker shade on outer corners. And now again I am using D64 Derma foundation to create half cut crease. I'm defining it again because now I am going to apply a little bit glitters on her eyes, and I really want a proper shine because if I will apply directly on eyeshadow it will not give me a high definition and it will not look so much bright. I have used loose foil pigments 07 number from Swiss Beauty, and I have also give a little bit touch of shimmers from Nude Huda Beauty palette, and the name is Daydream. Now you will all wonder that I didn't use orange corrector, but let me tell you that I already mixed orange corrector in my concealer because I believe it gives more coverage and also not turn into red color that our clients and few of my friends always used to complain me that after some time my foundations turn into dark or red. It will not happen. Always use Wet Beauty blender for blending your foundation, and I suggest always give more time to blending because makeup is all about blending. If you will not blend, it will look patchy or it will also look more cakey or creasy. If you want flawless finish, always give time to blending. After doing color correction, I am using Krylon's Derma foundation, and the number is D4 and a half for her skin because it provides 80 to 90% coverage, and this is a thick foundation, and trust me guys, this is so amazing foundation, and I think this one is my favorite foundation because it is also affordable. One refill costs for 350 or 400, and it also provides us such a wonderful coverage. I think each and everyone can't buy such expensive foundations for their clients. So if you are just a beginner and if you don't want to spend so much money on your products, choose this foundation. Well, thick foundations are not meant for dry skin, but if you have done your client's CTM properly and if you have applied primer according to her skin, You can apply Derma foundation on dry skin also. For contouring, I am using LA Girl Pro Concealer. For contouring, always use darker shades, and for concealer, always choose one shade lighter than your foundation. And now for concealing, again I am using Derma foundation and the shade number is D64. All I have to blend and apply on the midsection of forehead, midsection of our nose. And now I'm giving a little bit touch of compact powder on our concealing area, and the compact powder is from Wet n Wild. Using Contour D4 Face Palette 02 Vivid Victory from Sugar, I always used to blend my blusher with Wet Beauty Blender because it always gives such a flawless and a tint texture of blusher. For covering neck or back, I always blend liquid foundations, and I am using Faces Canada foundation and the number is 01 Ivory. I always go for liquid foundations because it is easy to blend. Highlighter is from Sugar Contour D4's Face Palette 02 Vivid Victory. I love this palette because it has all three things like contouring, highlighter, and blusher. For defining eyebrows, I am using Color Bar Brow Pencil, and this one is my favorite pencil. And for lower lash line, I am using Nude Huda Beauty palette, and the shade name is Love Bite. Mascara is from Maybelline New York, the Colossal Waterproof Mascara, and this Maybelline brand is my all-time favorite because it is affordable and every product is so amazing. For lips, I am applying crayon lipstick from Sugar 07 Voila because I want to give a long lasting lipstick for my client. Then I applied Anastasia Lips shade, which is Dusty Rose liquid lipstick. Apply eyelashes, and for my eyelashes, I always trust Miss Claire's black eyelash glue. At the end, I'm spraying Faces Canada Ultime Pro Makeup Fixer. Keeps makeup intact, hydrates, and refreshes non-sticky. I hope this video will help you a lot. Also, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe my channel. See you in next video.